Hello everyone, my name is Jeremiah, I'm the Pony Guy, and I am back again after 5 years to do another custom My Little Pony PC build. The one I did 5 years ago was based on Princess Luna, which being my first time build, I thought came out quite well. And I was going to do it on a more continuous basis, but life got in the way. But you know, things are better now, and I'm ready to start again, and hopefully start doing more custom builds on a more continuous basis. But anyway, let me dive right into it. The theme of this build, My Little Pony build, will be based on Sea Questeria. So I've got a lot of different design elements here, which took weeks in the planning, weeks in obtaining, multiple trips to PetSmart and other aquarium stores, multiple orders from Amazon, and just endless nights of research on how could I create a cool little My Little Pony build based on Sea Questeria. And even though I might not use every design element you see here, in the end, I hope in the end I'll be able to replicate this into this. So we go over the PC parts first, and then we'll kind of go over the design elements. So I'm going with this build. We're doing an Intel baseboard, Intel build. We got an i7-13700KF processor, MSI motherboard, micro ITX. Got a 3060 graphic card, RTX 3060 graphic card. Air cooler from Alyssey, and they got a Superflower 1000 watt power supplies, and of course the Thermatank, the Tower 300, designed for micro ITX builds. The effects that I'm going to put in this, a lot of this is actually stuff that can illuminate in blue light. So I do got a blue LED lighting kit, and I have a glow aquarium tank, so I've tested this stuff out, and it does illuminate quite awesome. So in dark at night or in dark rooms, when the blue lights are on, everything is going to illuminate and glow. I've had people ask me questions, you know, why don't I make these videos into like PC build tutorials? This is not a how to build your PC. This is more about doing custom designs than those who were in My Little Pony or in a custom PC builds. This is the focus on that. Though I will leave links below the video from a YouTuber I follow named Linus from Linus Tech Tips, who has a lot of how to build your own PC videos for those who wish to kind of get into PC building. I myself have been doing PC building since I was like 13, so like 30 years now. So I mean, I would love to do a tutorial one day, but my focus is kind of doing a custom builds based on My Little Pony themes, etc. Anyway, without further ado, let's ponify.